So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is doing a pixie for this one. Wow, gorgeous asymmetrical pixie. Absolutely stunning. I love how this frames her face perfectly. Stunning transformation. And then we see a hair color change. Blonde money piece highlights mixed in with some purple, lavender, dark purple. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of doing something different with your hair, this video is for you. Here we see someone go from long to this beautiful short red colored bob. Breathtaking color and haircut. So going along with the red hair color trend, we have someone rocking this stunning copper colored shaggy curly style. Another winning cut and color combination. Absolutely love it. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So coming your way is another hair transformation, and she ended up going with this stunning pixie bob style. Followed by someone who decides to switch it up. Looks like she's doing a big chop for this one, maybe getting a pixie. Oh, cut and color, wow. What a beautiful pixie cut. Absolutely amazing transformation. And then we see someone with curly natural hair decide to get some color mixed in. Gorgeous copper. Her hair is so full and thick, volumized, and I think the highlights just accented perfectly. Next up, we have another color transformation. Wow, look at the stylist hair. She has like this really pretty multicolored hairstyle. Gorgeous blonde transformation, beautiful dimension with that one. And then we have a really pretty and unique pixie style. There's a bit of orange in this one, some neon green, some blonde, brown. Absolutely stunning color combination. Very bold and vibrant. So then we see someone else with beautiful long copper colored hair. It's like the stylist is adding in some layers for this one. Her hair color is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, look how long her hair is in the back. So the stylist is just kind of giving her a trim, shaping the hair overall. So beautiful. Next up, we see someone with long black hair. I love the expressions that the stylist is making as he cuts the hair. Oh, wow, her hair has so much body. Beautiful. And it looks like she did get like a pixie bob for that one. And then we see someone who is growing out their natural curly hair. I really like her shirt, so cute. So it looks like she's going to be big chopping into her natural curls and wearing her curly natural texture. She's been transitioning from the straight hair. So let's see what the stylist decides to do. Ooh, very pretty curly pixie style. This is so gorgeous. It really accents her cheekbones as well. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.